Good afternoon, friends. I'm coming up of the hill. Today we are in Dolly Dana, and I am coming up of the hill. I am seeing lot of stones and trees. The wind is coming very fast. It is very hot day, but I think rain is coming. That's why I'm going to home fast and fast. Then this is slippery road. I can sometimes I can fall also, and I'm falling also. Just now I have fallen. I am going up and up, and I can see half of the motorcycles, and I have seen one ground in that the children are playing, and they are playing cricket. In cricket, they are playing. Half of the people are throwing the ball, and half of them they are catching. I can see half of the mountains. There's no. And now I think I am seeing lightnings in sound. I am seeing small flowers and motors. I've forgotten this now. I'm seeing a tank, and my family is come with me. I am seeing little bit only sun. I am coming and climbing up. I slipped. This is dangerous way. I'm seeing one cow, and it is beautiful nature. In the hill, you can come and see everything. What do you want? It is very quiet. Nothing. No one is shouting. Nothing. It's doing. I can see a house, and I am seeing a thing that Lisa in the tree. Lisa is there in cloth. I'm climbing a hill and I'm climbing the stone. Now I'm going down of the stone. I will slip my things or I fall. I thought. Okay. We're going up and up and seeing small flowers and grass. Thank you.